Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am making chili cheese tater tot casserole, and this is going to be in the oven. So for that you will need obviously a bag of tater tots. It's a 32-ounce bag, and 1 pound ground beef. You're going to need a packet of chili seasoning, chili beans, or any kind of beans that you prefer, or you can just do no beans. And then I have 1 orange bell pepper diced up and a half onion diced up, 2 tablespoons brown sugar. That's what I always add to my chili. It makes it really good. And this is not called for, but it looked really dry without it. So I'm doing it like I usually do with 1 can of tomato sauce. And then I will need some minced garlic and some butter just to saute up the bell pepper and the onion. So let's get started. Right here I have a couple tablespoons of butter and some olive oil heating up in a pan. So I can saute the peppers and onions just to soften them up a little bit. So I have my ground beef, peppers and onions in this bowl right here. So to that I'm going to add my tomato sauce, my 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, a can of chili beans that I drained and rinsed. Just put them back in. Chili seasoning, it's just regular mild. I almost forgot I also do just like a tablespoon of tomato paste. And now just mix. So this is what it will look like, and see, without the tomato sauce it would be very dry. Right here I have my baking dish. I'm going to spray it with some Pam. And my oven is already preheated to 375. So basically I am just going to pour in the chili and top it with tater tots and cheddar cheese. This just came out of the oven. I had it going for 45 minutes at 375. And it is all bubbly and ready to serve up in a little bit, and I'll show you what it looks like. Here's what it looks like. I hope you guys liked this recipe. Please give it a like and subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on the notification bell so you're notified each time I upload. I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.